Hi friends, in this video I'm not promoting any products or the shop person is giving me any money, but I want to make sure there is a Ayurvedic treatment for your problems. Ayurvedic treatment is the treatment where you find no side effects because these medicines are made out of a natural food products. Ayurvedic cures the root problems, not only the symptoms, while allopathy focus on treating only the symptoms. Let us see the Ayurvedic medicines available in this shop. This is called as Neera, which is extracted from the coconut tree.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೀರಾ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಬರೋದು ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀನಾ
This shop is located in Kammanahalli behind Venkateshwara Garments. I will share the location in the description.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸು ನೀರಾ
This is Forestica, a cooling Ayurvedic tonic which condition of Pitta dosha, Ushna, Ushna Pitta, jaundice, alcoholic cirrhosis of the liver. This helps in detoxifying the liver, which is the root cause of PCOD and the fatty liver. 95 rupees for 200 ml. This is Flora, a tonic as an appetizer, digestive, helps the body to normalize its own digestive power, relieves gastric irritation, hyperacidity, and it also helps for constipation. This is made out of pudina, ingo, jalapatre, almond, and sugar, and tastes like omam water. The cost is 90 rupees for 200 ml. This is Kapiva hair food. This is the hair care juice. Helps stimulating hair growth and stops hair fall. Usually for hair treatment, the doctor will give some oil to apply it on the hair. After some days you will find hair fall. But this is the juice you need to consume, and this is made out of amla, bringaraj, ashwagandha and noni. The cost is around 6.99 for 1 liter. This is the Ayurvedic cough medicine. This is the Ayurvedic medicine for piles treatment. Friends, I just want to testify saying that the Floristica and Flora, we have got a best result, as we have tried lot of medicines which is not given the result like Floristica and Flora.
ಇದು ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋರಾ
You can see BP Care juice, Get Slim juice, the aloe vera juice, wheatgrass juice, and all type of Ayurvedic juice. Since all these juices are made up of natural food products, you won't find any side effects. You can see most of the products comes from Mangalore. There are wide range of Mangalore people come usually to buy the products here.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಷಾಯ ಕೇಳ್ದನಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪಿ
This is the unique product which is made out of rice. This is called as rice roti. And this is the semia making machine. And this is the coconut peeler. So friends, in this video I am not promoting any products or the shop is not giving me any money, but I want to make sure you have an Ayurvedic shop which can cure your problems. So friends, thanks for watching this video. I will catch you up with another useful and exciting video. Until then, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.